Just installed the dark ice hood struts on the Fiesta ST. Install straight and forward. Just got to take the headlight out here to get that bracket down there on the side. And this side here, I did not have to remove the battery or the fuse box. I just unloosened, took that nut off, actually 10mm, slid this over, took this bracket off, so I can move the box just a little bit, and I was able to get that bracket in there. I didn't have to take the battery out or unloosen that, that nut down there, just the one on the top. Push it over. And also have the new evap line on here. This is the 16 Fiesta ST, and I have the 14 to 15 on here. Yeah, you can almost see the evap line back there. Well, the lighting on it, there you go, you can see it a little bit better there.